Hi and welcome everyone. Lisa here, bringing you another product reveal with the FaDoodle Stars 4x6 clear stamp set. I'm a huge fan of the FaDoodle line from Whimsy, so I was super excited to see this set. It includes 6 individual stars of different shapes and sizes. You are going to get a larger stamp that is 7 stars hanging and 5 sentiments with this. Now I have a couple of samples I'm going to share with you at the end of the video, but first let's go ahead and stamp some of these out. I'm going to start with the largest stamp in this set, the stars that are hanging, and I love how these stars are all different in shapes and sizes, and they have this sketchy feel to them. So next up, I'm going to go ahead and stamp the word congratulations out so you'll get a feel for the font. Now here are my samples I created for you. If you want to see more inspiration featuring the FaDoodle Star stamp set, you can head over to the blog or follow us on Instagram. We would love to have you join us in our Facebook group, Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration. And until next time, take care.